it is Carson with Gtechniq, and a quick tip for you today. I want to talk about how to protect and restore any faded textured black plastics that you might have on your vehicle. It's becoming increasingly common today to have these types of plastics, whether you have a Subaru or an off-road capable vehicle. These plastics, when they're brand new, they can already be coated with our trim restorer, which will prevent them from fading for up to 2 years by giving you increased UV and oxidation prevention. In addition, if you have already faded plastics, this is going to restore them and keep them restored for an additional 24 months. Now, one thing I do want to talk about prior to coating, something really important to the bond is going to be to prep those plastics. Prior to this, in the wash bay, we went on ahead and used our W5 citrus all-purpose cleaner. We sprayed some onto a microfiber, kind of agitated those surfaces. If you have a horsehair brush, you can do the same with that. Rinse that cleaner off and allow this to fully dry. This is a solvent-based product, so water and solvent don't mix. Now is not the time to try that. So let those completely dry. This is a 30 milliliter bottle. On the back, you'll notice it says 30 milliliters, kind of smaller in writing. That will do about this full SUV and trim. Now, inside the box, you're gonna get the bottle itself, which comes with an included kind of bartender's pour dropper. You'll have 4 of our AP1s. These are gonna be our cotton round applicators. If it takes you longer than 30 minutes, I would swap out this applicator. This is a quartz-based coating, so it's gonna harden up kind of like a rock after about 30 minutes. So we have some backups for you already included in the kit. If you forget everything I'm saying now, you're in luck. We have a master instruction sheet. Go ahead and open this up and read this pamphlet for a quick refresher on how to install and prep this plastic for this product. Now, as far as installation goes, I'm gonna use the applicator included and 2 general purpose microfibers. You'll see me reach off camera for those. The goal with this is to apply a very thin layer, work 1 piece of trim at a time, and it's a wipe on, wipe off product. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply about a 2 to 3 second pour of this product. Because it's quartz based, I'm gonna close that cap in between, kind of like going back to the bottle. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work 1 piece of trim at a time, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply. If I get a little bit of this onto the paint, it's not the end of the world. It's not gonna completely mess with your paint. Just be sure to wipe it off before it has a chance to dry. Usually within about 30 to 45 seconds, that's kind of the sweet spot here. I don't wanna do this in kind of direct sunlight. That trim, when it gets hot, can be problematic. Once I've got it applied, notice I'm waiting really no time. I'm gonna come right back, and I'm just gonna buff that surface completely good. And I'm using a couple pounds of pressure here, but I'm not going crazy. I'm gonna set that towel down. Notice we pulled a lot of kind of solvent off. That's all that product that otherwise would just kind of be thick and high spot on this trim. If we don't come back and buff it and we just wipe it on, or we do multiple coats, this can flake off. Think of this as glass. Glass on plastic at too thick of an application can cause problems. So avoid that, do this application, and you'll be all good to go. We're gonna come back with that second towel. I'm gonna go about 30, 40% overlap onto the paint, just making sure I don't have any excess. And that's all she wrote. We're good to go for about 2 years here. You'll notice it's very hydrophobic. Even on new plastics, we have a little bit of a deeper kind of OEM plus finish here. And that's gonna be locked in like that for 24 months. Thanks for watching.